Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can create new post on OnlyFans. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of the choice, and when you have opened the web browser successfully, in the top of the web browser there is a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type OnlyFans, and when you have written OnlyFans successfully, just press enter in your keyboard. And this is the source result that is shown to you, and in the first source result you just have to click on it, that is OnlyFans. And when you have logged in successfully, then this is the interface that is shown to you. And on the left hand side, on the bottom of the left hand side, there is a new post. You just have to click on the new post, and here you can compose a new post or add poll or add quiz or add media as well. And when you have added the things that you want to add, and in the top right corner there is a post button, you just have to click on the post button and you will be able to create new post on OnlyFans. So this is how you can create new post on OnlyFans. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.